If you're wondering what we're doing here, we're actually cutting the ceiling because there was some roof damage that caused the ceiling to bubble up with water moisture. So we're cutting this out right now, and then obviously putting up some new drywall in a minute or so. Obviously, we're going to go and repair the roof as well, so I'll take you there once we're there. I'll take you to the outside where we'll show you the roofing repair. So this is the building here. It's Spring of Hope Christian Ministries here in Long Beach, and it's on Pacific. So this lower level here of the roof is damaged, and that's what's causing the leak. There's several patches that have been put up, but for now what we're going to do is do a minor repair work, put a little bit of Henry's up on there, and then once that's done, that should give them probably another 6 months to a year life, until he could get some money to actually do the roofing, the actual roofing, replace it. It's a flat roof, and they're notorious to for leaks because water just sits, and that's what causes the leak. All right, good. Let's go back inside and see what they're doing. So it looks like all the damage has been cut out. All right, good. I'm going to go ahead and stop the video and let you guys go. As you can see, we do all kinds of repairs. All right, good. Thank you for watching. Appease Builders, 800-646-0566. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.